Hello my little YouTubers. Okay, so today I'm making this 25 centimes French 1937 coin into a ring. Oh, hi. So there you go, that's the French I know. Right, first of all, yep, we're going to punch a hole in it. So for that, we are going to use this little baby. This is called the Penetrator, named by one of my subscribers. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. Love you to bits. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. See if she's wet today. It doesn't look like she's wet today, which is nice. It's probably out of oil, but there you go. I've been saying that for ages, but it's still working. One day I'll do this and nothing will happen probably. Okay. Needs a slap on the bottom. Who's a naughty boy then? There you go. I don't know why I have to do that. It must be the pressure bearing down on... don't know. Right. There you have it. You just want to clean up that edge. You can see it's a bit rough. You don't want rough edges on your ring, do you? No, we don't. This is Christy Burr, a deburring tool. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, look no further. I'll happily make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's quite a few rings in there. They're all measured in EU size, but I can adjust the size up or down. You could also send me your own coins and I'll make you a ring out of it. Most of them are 28 euros. I don't rip you off with postage like a lot of other people do, selling stuff on eBay or whatever. That gets my goat, that does. You buy something for a couple of bucks and they want 30 bucks to post it, you know. Like a CD. I went to buy a CD, second-hand CD, 8 euros. They wanted $40 to post it. I mean, how do they work that out? And then they moan nobody's buying off them. I wonder why. Right, let's give it some love with Bernie the fire starter. Yeah, my postage is 10 euros in Europe. That includes, there's no taxes or nothing. I don't think that gets my goat. If I say, then they put VAT and taxes. Just to try and rip you off a bit more. Right, there you go. That's annealed. Right. What have we got? What have we got? Okay, well, it's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring. There's not a great deal happening there. Got some leaves and stuff, but that's got to be sunny side up on the ring. So we go face down. This is a 17-degree folding die. This goes face down. You try and get it as level as possible. Then we go over to Big Red. Big Red is a 1-ton arbor press. And this is Conan. Is a 17-degree folding cone. Also named by one of my subscribers. Right. There you go. That's folded. Now we want to clean up this edge again. Make sure it's clean. No scratches. No cracks forming. This is just a very, very fine sandpaper. There you go. I think I'll get a bit more. It's a bit sad around there. How's everybody doing today? Good? There you go. That's a bit better. It could be better though. Right, let's take it over to Spike and see what that's going to do for us. This is my favourite tool. Spike. This just protects the inside of the ring. Saves you losing the detail. How's that looking? Not too shabby. I'll give it a bit more with Sandy, I think. You don't need to see that. You know what I'm doing. There you go. I just brightened up a bit more. Because it wasn't looking too clever. Right. A couple more pumps. This isn't for anybody in particular. Just making rings. I'm still waiting to hear back from my Christmas market. I think I could go a little bit more because you want this to touch that. It's not far off. I could do with another couple of pumps. Okay, that should do it. How's that looking? Yeah, not too bad. Right, now we go down to the bottom end of Spike. All of these are reduction dies, different sizes both sides. You can also use the 17-degree die that I started to fold it with. I like doing this. It's a good start to the job. You're just trying to get these walls straight, so you could do it a bit more. A touch more. Not a lot more. Let's change that to this one. Yeah. The thing with this is if it fits, it works. How's that looking? Yeah, it's pretty straight. Let me look with my eye, because the camera gives you such a false... I look at my monitor, now maybe a touch more. Not a lot more. There you go, that's better. Straight walls. Okay. I think I'll just give it another quick whack with Sandy. That's better. Right. See, look at that. It looks wobbly. When you look at it with my eye, it's not wobbly. Now, is that the camera? It's weird, isn't it? Look at that. It looks like it's wobbly. Is it my eyes? Anyway, it's not wobbly. It's pretty good. Right. Let's break out Kate Bush again. Clean it up. I need to send her off again. She's just not taking care of herself anymore. Good thing with these French coins, there's quite a lot of detail on them. They look quite good. Right, how's it looking? I worked in France. I was building ships. The Saint-Nazaire. They had quite a few ships there. You know, the new cruise ships. Right, and that is why you use kitchen roll on the inside of the coin, so you don't lose that detail. Right, let's get some polish on it and try and brighten it up a bit more. Lovely. That's what you noticed with me if you followed me for a while. I'm just a mess. But why not, eh? Some of us are messy, some of us aren't. I make up for lots of people. Yeah, you can send me your own coins and I'll turn them into rings for you. If you'd like to leave a comment, you've got any questions or things you'd like me to do, except bugger off, which I'm not going to do. I answer all my comments, good or bad. Right, let's get Felton John on the case, eh? Let's see what he's going to do for us. This is just a felt pad. God. At the end of the video, my girlfriend cleans these up because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what else. Right, there you have it. How's it looking? I have started sealing all my rings now with clear coat. So if you have any allergies, you should be okay. I mean, depending how you use or wear your ring. If the coating does wear off after, 8 months, a year, you can always give it a thin coat of clear nail varnish. It's the same sort of stuff. But if you're buying a silver coin, then you don't need to. There you go. Quite pretty, eh? There's no lip on the inside, so I don't need to look about with that. What size are we looking at? This is a size 58 and a half. I can make them bigger, I can make them smaller. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.